members, today we are doing an activity called Dancing Hearts. These conversation hearts will be dancing through a simple chemical reaction between the baking soda and the vinegar that will cause the heart candy to move. These conversation hearts will be dancing through a simple chemical reaction between the baking soda and the vinegar that will cause the heart candy to move. For this, you will need a clear glass or jar, a box of sweethearts candy or conversation hearts, several tablespoons of baking soda, white vinegar, and water. So we will start by filling up your glass cup or jar with water to about halfway. Next, we are going to add about 1 tablespoon of baking soda and mix. Now we are going to let that sit for about 15 seconds to allow the water to become clear again. After that, we are going to drop in a small handful of the conversation hearts. Don't worry, nothing will happen yet, they will sink to the bottom. But now comes the best part of our experiment. Pour in vinegar so that it reaches near the top of the glass or to about 3/4 full. You will see the Valentine's Day heart candy shoot to the top and bubble as the baking soda and vinegar mix and let out carbon dioxide. This is when the hearts dance up and down from the chemical reaction taking place in this experiment. The reaction will last for about 3 to 5 minutes. After that, you can stir the glass to remix the baking soda at the bottom of the glass with the vinegar to restart the dancing hearts again. For further explanation on how this works, the carbon dioxide that is released picks the candy hearts up and brings them to the top of the glass. When they reach the top, the bubbles will burst and the candy end up working its way down again. And this repeats. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you try this out yourselves. Bye, members!